The review of Pixel 9 Pro XL is out ahead of the launch with some amazing insights. Google's track record with leaking smartphones ahead of the launch is no different this time. Pixel 9 Pro XL complete review is out, showing off a new design of the Pixel 9 Pro XL. I know it seems a bit weird, but this time Pixel 9 Pro XL is reviewed ahead of the launch. The phone came with a rounded design. It's compared with the S24 Ultra and even the last year Pixel 8 Pro. Google gave us the shiny sides on the Pixel 9 Pro XL, but honestly, first these sides would be fingerprint magnet, and if you use it without a case, then it can catch scratches in a daily life. Although I like the matte finish on the back, it looks so subtle and you don't need to clean this quite often as the glossy back. When compared with the S24 Ultra, the phone turns out to be a bit smaller and it features a 6.8 inches display, same as S24 Ultra. Although we get the detailed look at the design of the Pixel 9 Pro XL, but the phone was never turned on by the user. This means either it's a prototype or non-functional late production unit. Still, what I like the most is the rounded edges and flat sides on the Pixel 9 Pro XL. And one more thing, when we put this phone alongside the Pixel 8 Pro, the display is completely flat. Pixel 8 Pro last year gets a small curve on the edges, but Pixel 9 Pro XL features a complete flat display. The promotional pictures also confirm the internals of Pixel 9 Pro XL. We are going to see a 16 gigs of RAM, a Tensor Gen 4, and the new cameras: 50 megapixel main sensor, 48 megapixel ultra wide, and a 48 megapixel telephoto sensor. And we are going to see a 42 megapixel selfie shooter. Meanwhile, Pixel 9 gets a 12 gigs of RAM and a 10.5 megapixel selfie shooter, 50 megapixel main sensor, and 48 megapixel ultra wide sensor. With this, user will going to get a 7 years of security updates. The price of Pixel 9 entire series is also out, and there's something I'm a little bit worried about. We get the European pricing for all models, €899 for 128 gigs Pixel 9 and €999 for 256 gigs. Meanwhile, the Pixel 9 Pro gets a €1,099 for the base model, €1,199 for the 256 gigs, and €1,320 for the 512 gigs. Where top of the line model Pixel 9 Pro XL base model costs us €1,199. €1,299 for 256 gigs and €1,429 for 512 gigs version, and 1TB version will be priced at €1,689. Obviously, if we convert these numbers in US dollars, this is a lot of money. Still, if we remove taxes and all, still Pixel 9 Pro XL will cost way more than the last year. And the advantage of having a less price on Pixel devices are about to over. I believe we could see a similar price to the Galaxy S24 Ultra, as there is no 128 gigs on S24 Ultra, but Google is still going with 128 gigs as a base model. Apart from hands-on look, the battery size is also out for the Pixel 9 entire series. Pixel 9 Pro XL will going to feature a 4,942 mAh battery, slightly smaller compared to the last year Pixel 8 Pro, although the Pixel 9 Pro Fold gets a way smaller battery compared to its predecessor. But Pixel 9 and 9 Pro, the smaller versions, will get a bigger battery. Honestly, these are small changes in battery life except Fold, but the real game started when we talk about the efficiency of the new processor. The charging speed for all the models of Pixel 9 series is also out, and it seems like we are not going to see any significant changes. The charging speed, although different on each one, Pixel 9 Pro XL saw a slight bump up over Pixel 8 Pro, but there is no change on the smaller version of Pixel 9. But Pixel 9 Pro Fold charging speed is decreased. I don't know what is going on. Smaller battery, less charging speed. What is Google even thinking about the Pixel 9 Pro Fold? On this note, if you find value from this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.